Mercedes-AMG has a new safety car, and this one comes with a bit of history attached. To mark 30 years of backing the FIA championship, the manufacturer is rolling out the Mercedes-AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus, set to make its competitive debut at the Hungarian Grand Prix. It takes over from the AMG GT Black Series, which spent 4 seasons, 51 races between 2022 and 2026, leading the field whenever things went sideways. Beyond just marking an anniversary, the switch gives Mercedes-AMG a chance to rethink what its flagship coupe looks like when the job is chasing down incidents at speed rather than lapping for lap times. There was a fair amount of speculation that the production version of the concept AMG GT Track Sport would land this role, but Mercedes-AMG went another direction. Since the Track Sport hasn't reached production yet, the honor falls to the GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus, currently the most potent version of the second-generation AMG GT, and for now, the best the lineup has to offer. Mechanically, it's close to the road car, but the changes made for track duty are extensive, touching everything from visibility to aerodynamics to how the crew communicates with race control. The most eye-catching shift is in how the car signals its presence. Gone is the traditional light bar bolted to the roof. In its place, Mercedes-AMG's engineers build LED warning lights directly into a purpose-designed active rear wing and flap. It's a cleaner solution that helps the car cut through the air more efficiently while still being unmistakable to drivers stacked up behind it. That wing does double duty too, housing cameras that feed race control useful footage whenever the safety car is deployed. More lighting shows up elsewhere on the body. Dimmable LED strobes sit within the front bumper, and both the headlights and taillights carry additional warning elements. None of this is decorative. The colors mean something specific on track. Orange tells drivers overtaking is off the table, while green is the signal that it's safe to pass the safety car once the circuit has been declared clear and racing can resume. The aerodynamic changes go beyond the lighting hardware. Set next to the standard road-going GT63 Pro that debuted back in mid-2024. This version wears a considerably larger front splitter for extra front-end downforce, along with new canards around the front bumper that help manage airflow and keep the car settled at higher speeds. The active rear wing pulls its weight aerodynamically as well, working in concert with reworked underbody panels to keep airflow clean beneath the car. All of this matters because the safety car has to run at a pace quick enough to keep Formula One tires within their working temperature range during caution periods. Let those tires or brakes cool too much, especially in changeable weather, and the field runs into trouble the moment green flag racing resumes. For Hungary specifically, the car will wear a one-off anniversary livery, mostly black, with sharp red foil graphics that play up the car's already aggressive lines. CrowdStrike branding features heavily across the bodywork, and 30th anniversary badges are placed on the hood, roof, and rear wing as a nod to Mercedes-AMG's long tenure with the sport. Step inside, and the cabin makes no pretense of being a road car anymore. Bernd Maylander, who's been behind the wheel of the safety car for years, sits in a Recaro racing bucket seat secured by a 6-point harness, a serious step up in restraint from anything you'd find in a showroom GT63. A full roll cage has gone in too, adding both structural rigidity and a meaningful layer of protection. The passenger seat isn't just along for the ride either. It's paired with a large display feeding operational data, dedicated radio gear for staying in constant contact with race control, and GPS equipment that keeps officials tracking the car's exact position throughout a deployment. Even the fuel gets a nod to where the sport is heading. Instead of standard premium unleaded, the car runs on Petronas Primax Pro Race M2, a 100-octane blend that's 40% sustainable, 10% ethanol, 30% synthetic e-fuel. It's part of a broader push across motorsport to cut environmental impact without giving up the performance these cars need. Under the skin, Mercedes-AMG didn't bother chasing extra power for this application, and honestly, it didn't need to. The twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 carries over untouched, still producing 604 horsepower, 450 kilowatts, or 612 PS if you prefer metric bragging rights, with 850 Newton-meters of torque on tap for the kind of instant response a safety car needs when conditions change quickly. That power runs through AMG's 9-speed Speed Shift MCT transmission and out through the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system, which gives the car dependable traction across a wide range of conditions, wet circuits very much included. There's a small piece of history buried in that drivetrain choice, too. Mercedes-AMG says this is the first all-wheel drive safety car it has fielded in its entire partnership with the FIA. Every prior generation ran rear-wheel drive only. It's worth clearing up a bit of potential confusion here, since Aston Martin has also had all-wheel drive machinery on track recently. Its DBX 707 serves as the medical car, an entirely different job, while the actual Aston Martin Vantage safety car has stuck with rear-wheel drive, keeping the layout Mercedes itself used to run. The GT63 Pro brings along nearly the full spread of AMG's current performance technology. Active ride control suspension continually adjusts on the fly to keep the car composed and predictable at speed, and massive ceramic composite brakes with 6-piston front calipers handle the repeated hard stops without fading. Lightweight forged wheels wrapped in specially developed Pirelli P0R tires round out the package, providing the grip needed to hustle Formula One cars around at a representative pace while keeping their tires in the right temperature window. Taken together, it's clear the new safety car is about a lot more than simply pulling out front and leading a parade lap. The lighting, the aerodynamics, the race-ready cabin, even the fuel, every piece serves a specific operational purpose. As Mercedes-AMG marks 3 decades in Formula One, the GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus stands as both a proven piece of engineering and a reminder of how much technology now flows between the road cars and showrooms and the machinery supporting the world's biggest motorsport series.